Not gonna play one-on-one this time because he gonna lose. It's like, nah, he won last time. He ain't gonna... That's Dubai right there. I couldn't come all the way out here without. Ooh. 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 Man, I've been waiting all week for that. Woo. Yeah. All right, yeah, we ready. Let's go now. Good. Just bask in it. Just bask in it. Oh yeah.
I don't know my album. I don't know my album, man. Been here for a minute.
What you got? What you got?
It.
Yeah.
Let me see. Hold up. I don't know they there.
Ooh.
Are they there still? A little bit?
Yeah, they there. Come on now.
Just a little bit.
Ooh. Don't do it. Don't do it. Ooh, don't leave him. You ain't think we was gonna find a beach out here? You're dead wrong.
Slow motion. Ooh. Ooh. Hey.
Had to. Beautiful views out here, man. It's burning up out here too. That's crazy.
We made it back before all these people get out here.
Oh yeah. Man, it's Dubai. It's in the middle of November, in the middle of the winter. Yeah, that's OG right there.
Not the joints, but the joint.
The
You know
joint.
what I'm talking about.
Yeah, we out this joint. Yeah. One thing about it, was Sag on not the other beach, so well he was, but he didn't get to get on camera, so yeah, he's definitely coming to this beach. Best believe that. Hold on, you gotta get through all this real quick. Okay. Cool. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Get some eats right quick. What's this thing called? Yeah, that's a 7-star hotel. Welcome everybody. Today we're at the beach library with Big Sag. First of all, we at the library, so you know we gotta take them to school. Step number 1. Make sure you take off your shirt, you feel me? Man, you don't need no book to tell you that. Hold on, even catch the backward, you know? Ooh, Yes, sir, so let's go ahead and get busy. Step number 1, take a picture. Bam, bam. Step number 2, boom, your boy Lil Sag. Cool, all right. We ain't gonna read too many more books, don't worry about it. Come on, ma, let's get it. No, they real life have books out here though. Dope spot. Places to sit, but another excuse to take my shirt off. That's it. Yeah. We just over here beach hopping for a little bit. What's that say? Cause we happy, happy in Dubai. Come on now. Whew, hold on. Is that a chair? That is a, okay. That thing is not going down. All right, one thing about it is, I ain't messing with that no more. But just had to take y'all to school real quick, you know? So I'm gonna see y'all later.